I thought it'd be fun to show you a comparison. Two styles that are very similar. This is Straight Up with a Twist in Shaded Biscuit. Super cute. Love her. Love the shaded root. And I just tried on All Too Well in SS Sandy Blonde. So I'm going to show you the comparison. This is, again, Straight Up with a Twist, who I wear a lot. I love her with the black. I just, for a short style, just love. And I want you to notice the part, and I want you to notice the shine, because I have worn her a lot. Now let's try on All Too Well, which is very similar. One of the biggest differences is that inside All Too Well, you can see this kind of designated parting area. And in Straight Up with a Twist, there's a lot more versatility on where you can part because it's not defined. So you have this whole area, so you can switch the part from one side to the next, which is not a big deal if you, especially if you like to wear your hair parted on one particular side. So we're gonna try this one now, is All Too Well. And she's very similar in style, but I'm gonna show you the difference. So let's see, let's make sure we get her on my hairline. So you can see she's very similar. This one is a bit newer, more out of the box. I just opened her up. So she has a little more shine to her right now because she's not been worn outside. And a little more, kind of the same style though, right? A little less rooting. But I think it's fun to be able to look at two different styles that are similar, but not exact. So this is by Gabor, and I'm gonna try the other one back on. So this is the back. So she's kind of long and tapered at the neck. Again, this is All Too Well in Sandy Blonde, SS Sandy Blonde. Okay, so let's flip back to Straight Up with a Twist. And maybe I just like the name. Straight Up with a Twist is by Raquel Welch. And let's get her on. As you can see, it's super easy to switch your hairstyle. And I like, we're gonna do comparison to comparison. So she's in the same parted area. Okay, here we go. So she's a little bit longer here, but you know, very, very similar. This is a little bit more shaded, a little more rooted. Let's show you the back. Also still tapered. So that's it. Straight Up with a Twist or All Too Well. Hope that's helpful.